History remembers victories, revolutions, and rulers. But what if the real turning points were secrets? Scandals buried beneath royal crowns. Conspiracies whispered in locked chambers. Lies powerful enough to tear nations apart. From fallen empires to forbidden obsessions, these 10 scandals didn't just shock the world. They changed it. And at number 5, we uncover the Nazi obsession with the occult, Hitler's quest for ancient relics believed to grant ultimate power. This is the top 10 shocking historical scandals that changed the world forever. 10. The Dreyfus Affair, France, 1894, 1906, Paris, 1894. Captain Alfred Dreyfus, one of the few Jewish officers in the French army, is accused of treason. The evidence? Completely forged. The trial? A national spectacle designed to humiliate him. France became divided. On one side, justice and truth. On the other, nationalism and antisemitism. In 1906, after years of protests and public outcry, Dreyfus was finally exonerated. But the damage was done, and the scandal forever changed the global fight for civil rights and justice. 9. The Profumo Affair, UK, 1961, 1963. In Cold War Britain, sex, power, and espionage collided. John Profumo, Britain's Secretary of State for War, had an affair with Christine Keeler, a young model who was also involved with a Soviet naval officer. When the story broke, it wasn't just a sex scandal. It was a national security crisis. Profumo lied to Parliament, then resigned in disgrace. The scandal brought down Prime Minister Harold Macmillan's government and shattered the public's trust in British politics. 8. The Watergate Scandal, USA, 1972-1974. What started as a break-in became a full-blown political earthquake. 5 men were caught wiretapping the Democratic National Committee headquarters at the Watergate complex. All roads led to the White House. And the cover-up was worse than the crime. Secret tapes. Bribery. Obstruction of justice. President Richard Nixon denied everything until the truth closed in. In 1974, he resigned. The first and only US president to do so. Watergate redefined journalism, exposed the fragility of democracy, and changed how the world viewed political power. 7. The Gunpowder Plot, England, 1605, a deadly plot to blow up the English Parliament and kill the king. Led by Robert Catesby and featuring the now iconic Guy Fawkes, a group of Catholic rebels sought to destroy the Protestant monarchy in a single, fiery explosion. But just hours before detonation, the plot was exposed. Fawkes was found in the cellars with 36 barrels of gunpowder. The conspirators were executed, but the fear they sparked left permanent scars. Today, Guy Fawkes' night still burns in British memory. 6. The Affair of the Diamond Necklace, France, 1785. It began with a necklace meant for royalty and ended in a revolution. In 1785, a cunning fraudster tricked Cardinal de Rohan into purchasing an outrageously expensive diamond necklace. The supposed buyer? Queen Marie Antoinette. But she knew nothing about it. Still, the public turned on her. She was already seen as lavish and out of touch. This scandal sealed the image. 4 years later, the French Revolution erupted. Marie Antoinette lost her head, and this necklace was one of the sparks. 5. The Nazi occult scandals, Germany beyond, 1930s, 1945, this one dives deep into darkness. The Nazi regime wasn't just fueled by fascism, it was entangled in mysticism. Hitler and the SS believed that ancient artifacts held supernatural power. From the Holy Grail to the Spear of Destiny, secret Nazi expeditions were launched across the globe, to Tibet, Antarctica, and beyond. Heinrich Himmler even created an SS division purely for occult research. These missions failed, but they revealed a terrifying truth. The Third Reich wasn't just chasing world domination. They were chasing mythical domination. A twisted fantasy with real-world consequences. 4. The Medici poisonings, Florence, 15th, 16th century. The Renaissance gave us beauty, art, and genius. But in Florence, it also gave us deadly ambition. The Medici family ruled with elegance and brutality. Their court was filled with whispers and poison. Rival nobles, dissenting politicians, even family members were suspected of being quietly eliminated. Glass of wine. Quick sickness. Silence. Though much remains speculation, the Medici poisonings remain one of history's most mysterious and most feared power plays. 3. The Teapot Dome Scandal, USA, 1921, 1923, all. Corruption and the betrayal of public trust. In the early 1920s, the US government secretly leased federal oil reserves in Teapot Dome, Wyoming, to private companies. In return, massive bribes were paid to officials. It was the biggest political scandal in American history until Watergate. Secretary of the Interior Albert Fall went to prison, the first US cabinet member ever convicted of a felony. The scandal exposed just how easily power could be bought and how deep corruption could go. 2. Rasputin, the fall of the Romanovs, Russia, early 1900s. He was a mystic, a healer, and maybe something darker. Grigory Rasputin, a Siberian peasant, gained the trust of Tsarina Alexandra by claiming to heal her son's hemophilia. Soon, he was advising royal decisions, while rumors of orgies, sorcery, and treason swirled around him. Russian nobles plotted his death, poisoned, shot, and drowned. He wouldn't die easily. His influence helped destroy the Romanov dynasty. Months after his murder, the Russian Revolution began, and the royal family was executed. 1. The Cadaver Synod, Rome, 897 AD. Yes, this really happened. In one of the most bizarre episodes in church history, Pope Stephen VI put his dead predecessor on trial. Pope Formosus was dug up, dressed in papal robes, and placed on a throne. Stephen shouted accusations at the corpse and declared him guilty. They cut off his fingers and threw his body into the Tiber River. The scandal horrified the people of Rome and damaged the church's credibility for generations. A grotesque symbol of how power, even divine, can rot from within. Scandals aren't just stories. They are turning points. Moments when truth is shattered and the world shifts. From hidden crimes to political madness, these 10 scandals shaped nations, destroyed reputations, and echoed across centuries. And they are just the beginning. New scandals drop every Tuesday, so if you want more secrets history tried to bury, subscribe, hit the bell, and join me again next week for another shocking story from the past. Because sometimes, the biggest lies are the ones we are still telling ourselves.